Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of Ferrari's most stunning creations, the 2024 Ferrari Roma. This Grand Tourer blends classic Ferrari elegance with cutting-edge technology, all wrapped up in a sleek, modern package. If you're a fan of performance, luxury, and unmistakable Italian craftsmanship, you're in for a treat. So, buckle up, and let's get started. First things first, just look at it. The Roma is a masterclass in automotive design. Ferrari calls it La Nuova Dolce Vita, inspired by the carefree spirit of the 1950s and 60s Italian lifestyle. The smooth, flowing lines, minimalistic front grille, and striking LED headlights give it a refined yet aggressive look. It's less in your face than some of Ferrari's more extreme designs, but don't let that fool you, this is still a serious performance machine. And check out the rear. The Roma ditches the traditional round taillights for these sleek horizontal LED strips, adding to its modern aesthetic. The active rear spoiler stays hidden until you really need that extra downforce, keeping the Roma's silhouette clean and elegant. Alright, let's talk about what makes the Roma truly special, its heart. Under the hood sits a 3.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8, producing 612 horsepower and 561 pound-feet of torque. That's enough to launch this beauty from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds, with a top speed of 199 miles per hour. That's serious performance for a car that's meant to be a Grand Tourer. And listen to that, Ferrari engineers have fine-tuned the exhaust to deliver that signature V8 growl, even with turbochargers in play. It's got that raspy, aggressive note that reminds you, you're in a Ferrari. The Roma features an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, borrowed from the SF90 Stradale. It's buttery smooth when you want it to be, but razor-sharp when you put your foot down. The shifts are nearly instantaneous, giving you the perfect blend of power and precision. And of course, we've got Ferrari's legendary Manettino drive mode selector, from comfort, for relaxed cruising, all the way up to race, for maximum adrenaline. Plus, the Roma comes with Ferrari's latest side slip control system, which makes it surprisingly forgiving when you push it hard. Even if you're not a pro driver, the car helps you look like one. Stepping inside, the Roma's interior is a blend of luxury and high-tech innovation. You get a fully digital 16-inch curved instrument cluster, an 8.4-inch vertical infotainment screen, and even a dedicated passenger display, so your co-pilot can keep an eye on speed, RPMs, and even climate settings. The steering wheel, almost everything is touch-sensitive now. It looks futuristic, but it might take some getting used to. There's even a capacitive start button, no more traditional red button like older Ferraris. It's sleek, but purists might miss that physical engagement. And just look at these seats, gorgeous leather and Alcantara with impeccable stitching. Ferrari made sure the Roma feels just as premium as it looks. Plus, there's a surprising amount of cargo space for a Ferrari, making this one of the most practical Ferraris you can actually use daily. So what makes the Roma special? It's a Ferrari for the modern era, a car that combines jaw-dropping performance with everyday usability. It's more comfortable than a 488 or an F8 Tributo, but still delivers plenty of excitement. It's Ferrari's answer to the Aston Martin Vantage and the Porsche 911 Turbo S, offering a refined, stylish, and powerful driving experience. The 2024 Ferrari Roma is a car that proves you don't have to shout to make a statement. It's elegant, yet ferocious. Luxurious, yet thrilling. Whether you're looking for a weekend escape or a high-speed grand tour, the Roma delivers in spades. So, what do you think? Is this the perfect daily Ferrari? Let me know in the comments. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of Ferrari's most breathtaking creations, the 2024 Ferrari Roma. This Grand Tourer is a perfect blend of heritage and modern innovation, embodying the essence of La Nuova Dolce Vita. Ferrari has designed the Roma to capture the carefree elegance of 1950s and 1960s Italy, while packing it with cutting-edge performance and technology. In this review, we'll break down every aspect of this beauty, from its design and performance to its interior and driving experience. Let's start with the design. At first glance, the Roma exudes sophistication and minimalism. Ferrari has taken a different approach with this model, offering a sleek and understated design that contrasts with the aggressive styling of models like the F8 Tributo. The front features a beautifully sculpted grille integrated seamlessly into the bodywork, giving it a smooth, uninterrupted look. The narrow LED headlights add to its futuristic appeal, resembling a modern interpretation of classic Ferrari Grand Tours. Along the sides, you'll notice the flowing lines that give the Roma its elegant silhouette, making it one of the most refined Ferraris in recent history. Around the back, Ferrari has done away with the traditional round taillights, replacing them with slim horizontal LED strips that add to the car's sleek aesthetic. One of the most exciting features is the active rear spoiler, which remains hidden when not in use but deploys at high speeds to provide additional downforce, enhancing both performance and stability. Under the hood, the Roma is powered by a 3.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8, producing a staggering 612 horsepower and 561 pound-feet of torque. This engine is paired with an advanced 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, which Ferrari first introduced in the SF90 Stradale. The result is blistering acceleration, with the Roma capable of going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds and reaching a top speed of 199 miles per hour. Despite being a Grand Tourer, the Roma retains Ferrari's signature driving excitement. The twin-turbo setup ensures a broad torque curve, delivering power smoothly across the rev range. Ferrari has also engineered the Roma's exhaust system to maintain the aggressive V8 roar enthusiasts love, ensuring that even with turbochargers, the sound remains distinctively Ferrari. The Roma is more than just straight-line speed, it's built to handle corners with precision. Ferrari's side-slip control system makes its way into this model, enhancing grip and stability while allowing for controlled slides when in the right hands. The Manettino drive mode selector on the steering wheel gives drivers control over the car's personality, with modes ranging from comfort for relaxed cruising to race for maximum performance. The Roma's chassis is based on Ferrari's latest aluminum architecture, making it lighter and stiffer than previous Grand Tours.